low, slow, suspenseful tone. What if your game froze right at the final boss? What if your stream glitched with thousands watching? What if your PC failed when it mattered the most? Pacing quickens. This isn't just about speed. It's about survival. Every frame, every millisecond, every move counts. Now intense, fast delivery. Introducing the Skytech Gaming PC Desktop. Powered by an unstoppable Intel Core i7-12700F processor. Fueled by the beastly RTX 4070 built for ultra graphics, ray tracing, and raw performance. With 1TB NVMe SSD, lightning fast boot and load times are just the beginning. And 16GB DDR4 RAM means no lag, no excuses. Slight pause. Commanding voice. Liquid cooled. 750W Gold certified power. Wi-Fi 11 AC Windows 11. Built not for the weak, but for the dominators. Epic drop, voice lower. This isn't a PC. This is your final form. Tagline, sharp and final. Skytech Gaming. Dominate the game or be deleted.